Add a touch of wildlife to your store with CoTa Global's Monkey Collection. We carry a wide variety of novelty items, made with high-quality materials. And that will be a guaranteed success among your visitors. Put a smile on the face of your visitors with our collection of stuffed animals. Resin pens, fridge magnets, bath toys, plush accessories, keychains, and many more. We also carry customizable stuffed animals for holidays and special occasions. Plus, get a free name drop on all your items. Make the most out of your store and place your order today. Only with CoTa Global.